Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will discuss about hemolytic uremic syndrome. Hemolytic uremic syndrome. Sometimes this comes as short note in pedia. So this is the book of Guy, that is pediatrics. So hemolytic uremic syndrome is a heterogeneous group of disorders that are common cause of acute kidney injury in children. So mainly hemolytic uremic syndrome is characterized by microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, and acute renal insufficiency. Two broad subgroups are recognized. The first is more common, occurs in young children, and is associated with Shiga toxin producing enteropathogens, that is Shiga toxin associated hemolytic uremic syndrome. So let me show you my notes to make this concept more clear to you. So here is my notes. You see. So I have told you that hemolytic uremic syndrome is characterized by three things: microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, and acute renal insufficiency. So these three things we can remember by the help of a mnemonic ATM. Even though the mnemonic is important, but at the same time the conceptual knowledge is very much important. So for the sake of knowledge, I am giving you the mnemonic ATM, okay? ATM are the three characteristic features of hemolytic uremic syndrome, that is acute renal insufficiency, thrombocytopenia, and microangiopathic hemolytic anemia. So what is microangiopathic hemolytic anemia? From the name itself, hemolytic uremic syndrome, we can appreciate that hemolysis, there will be a hemolysis, hemolytic uremic syndrome. In case of this disease, there will be hemolysis, there will be uremia. Microangiopathic means there will be hemolysis inside the microvasculature. Microangiopathic means the microvasculature of the kidney, microvasculature of the gut epithelium. In those epithelium and endothelium, there will be hemolysis. So that will cause the problem, and because of hemolysis, because of the destruction of the endothelium, because of the pathology of the microangio, which means microvessels, microangio, from the name itself we can understand that microangio, angio means blood vessels and micro means small blood vessels. There will be pathology in small blood vessels, so there will be destruction of the small blood vessels. As a result, the RBCs, the platelets will undergo some sequestration. As the RBCs and platelets will travel through these injured blood vessels, there will be destruction of RBCs, there will be destruction of platelets. So there will be thrombocytopenia. Okay. So destruction of RBCs will cause hemolytic anemia. Hope this concept is clear now. That is microangiopathic, because of injury to the small blood vessels, there will be hemolysis of the red blood cells, and there will be thrombocytopenia because there will be destruction of platelets as well. So the ATM, hope you will remember the ATM: acute renal insufficiency, thrombocytopenia, and microangiopathic hemolytic anemia. Now coming to the classification. Here is the classification